you so much for clicking my channel. My name is Ciara LaShawn, and today I'm going to be showing you my One Wish Kylie Jenner lipstick. I want you to know what it looks like on me, what different types of outfits you should wear with it, right? So this lipstick is very light. I don't know how light it might look on the camera, but it's actually like a very peachy, very light peach color maybe. And so I would suggest you wear this with your lighter colors. Today I'm wearing like a whitish shirt. It's floral. It's got a little different plants in it. And so I would recommend this type of shirt as something you would wear when you are wearing this One Wish lipstick. So let's try it on, guys. It smells so good too. It's like a, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a buttery type smell, but like, oh, I got some on my nose. This is the Kylie Jenner One Wish Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I love it. What do you think about it? I think it goes best when you wear the lighter colors. This is definitely my go-to lipstick when it comes to the lighter colors. So if you're a brown girl, this is probably what the lipstick would look like on you, especially if you're like my complexion. This is so cute and it goes so good with your lighter colors. I really wear it with like the whites. So if you're wearing white, I generally always wear this lipstick when I'm wearing whites, tans, going for those lighter or in the pastels, those type of looks. Now, if you're wondering how I did my makeup as well, I do have a video on my channel with my natural look, natural makeup. So I talk about that a little bit more there. But on this video, I really just wanted to show you what my Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick looks like in One Wish. So I do recommend Kylie Jenner's One Wish lipstick. I have no complaints with this. One good thing that I can say about this lipstick and many of her other ones that I've reviewed is that the color stays on for a long time. I don't know what other people say. I don't know other people's experience, but my experience is my color is like long lasting, guys. I hold a color. If you're a brown girl or someone who resembles my skin complexion, this will help you know what it would look like on you. I don't have on any lip liner. It's just pure lipstick. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this lipstick and what is your experience with Kylie Jenner's cosmetics, okay? So if you've tried Kylie Cosmetics, what's your favorite product or least favorite product? Let's be real. I try to have my channel be a place to be real, but this is my experience. If you have any questions, comment below as well because I'll be able to answer those questions about the lipstick. Once again, this is Kylie Jenner's One Wish Matte Liquid Lipstick and you've got to go try it, sis. Let me know how it is in the comments below. I love you. If you love this channel, if you love this content, like and subscribe, okay? Because this is not my only lipstick review. I have many other lipstick reviews. I do a lot of product reviews. I do a lot of just lifestyle videos. Comment below what you think about this lipstick and what would you like more, okay? And don't forget to subscribe for more content. I love you guys, but God loves you even more. Thank you so much for watching.